This is one of those situations whereby you're just coming along for the ride, quite literally.
I'm going to read a book.
Yeah. So
This is our day.
This is, well, it's not. Yeah, sort of. I got contacted by a fellow. His main job during the day is pest control, and he was asked to exterminate a colony of some wasps. When he went to look at the job, they were bees, and it's late in the year. There's not a lot of financial value in them. If looked after well, they're more than likely got a really good chance of survival, especially with new comb and all that sort of stuff, to get through the winter, especially if we feed them. But it's just a hassle for anyone to go and extract, because we've got to take the boards off the inside of this old outbuilding barn, and generally then wire in all the frames, all the comb into frames, and then get the bees out, all that sort of stuff. So it's not an ideal situation.
Sounds like I'm going to need a cup of tea.
Definitely need to get you a cup of tea. So, colony's just behind that board there.
You know, smoking's not good for you, Marcus.
Yeah, but I'm using a podiatry magazine, so...
Does that help the bees' feet? That's a good use of your podiatry literature.
I've already done my CPD, and this is continual professional development.
Is that what this is?
Podiatry now. Yeah. I always shove some green grass in the top. Stops any sparks or anything like that.
Yeah.
And it just, at the moment you can see they're all leaving the colony, not going in my box. So I'm going to smoke them around the entrance and see if I can encourage them back into the box.
Okay, thanks.
So other than a very honey covered hive, we've got a load of honeycomb in a box, and over here there's a load of angry bees all buzzing around their entrance. Everyone's flying every which way because they don't know what way's up or what way's down. And then a load of bees crawling out the door because they don't even know where the hive's gone. And then on here we have a brood box, and then all of the honeycombs all been removed from there. That's their entrance. So all they've got to do is come through there and go in the box. At the moment there's some clustering going on down the side there. You lot have all got to go. Go on, go in your home. We just got to get the picture. So hopefully when it gets dark they're all going to go in there, and I'll put a strap around the box and we can take the box home. But I need to go and probably give them a little smoke. Go on, go in your colony. Go on. But I haven't found the queen. I'm hoping she's in the box. Let's hope she is. Might go and take the missus to the pub if we can find one.
Unfortunately, from where we were situated, we were nowhere near really anything else other than a drive-through cup of tea place.
So just got back. It's just getting sort of dusk now. Not looking promising. Smoke is still going, which is good, but there is still a big cluster around the entrance there, which isn't so good. And too many bees around there, and too many bees around there. And there should be fan in the box. So I don't think the queen's in there. So I'm just have to keep sweeping them up and put them in the box. See the bee trying to sting me. She's not happy with me. Very upset.
Knock her house down.
Yeah, but she can't stay there tonight. She's been evicted.
What did she do?
Well, I want to take
One
that
on your
bath.
head as well.
Yeah, as long as they're not inside my head, I'm alright.
So the sun is setting, so hopefully we are leaving soon. Marcus is rounding up the naughty bees. I'm reading a book. Just have a little look at the view. The sun going down. I think I might need to clean the windscreen. On our way back?
Yeah, we've been out on a romantic tour.
Sunset tour,
Yeah,
the bee tour, or the honey tour.
I took my honey. I've been taking my honey out.
Oh dear.
Sorry, dad jokes. Went quite well. Not sure I got the queen. I actually have a feeling there couldn't see any eggs in any of the actual comb. I have a feeling that it was a queenless colony, which made it really difficult to extract because there was no
one to follow.
No queen pheromone. So made life more difficult. But I don't know. We got most.
You had fun.
Yeah, I enjoyed myself. It was a thorough job.
Excellent. You're going to take me for a cup of tea now.
I might even buy you a burger. Oh God, there's honey everywhere.
Honey everywhere.
Oh, and the lid's off as well. Look, they're all climbing out.
Oh no, look at that. Beautiful. That's going to be one sticky mess, isn't it? I'm glad it's on a board.
Well, that's stupid.
Wow. Yeah, and they're crawling out, look. Look, they're crawling out, Bibba.
We're going to the library tomorrow and have a bee with us.
I'm not going out in this car. These are your new friends, Etty.
I'm going to eat you.
They're crawling out. Oh, there's that is full of honey.
Nice. Yes.
That looks like Daddy's setting up their new home.
Oh, can I eat their honey? I love the comb. When they chew on the comb, oh, I love that.
Look, Etty.
Oh, there's a beehive in there as well. The queen could be in there, Daddy.
Don't let them eat it all.
Alright,
Cool, can you smell it?
I'm hungry. Toast. Yeah, some soda bread.
Welcome home, bees.
Kev, don't squish that one.
what one?
One. honey.
Oh, is this the new pasture? It's going to be a bee pasture. They seem a little crazy.
Oh dear, it's a lot of bees. How many are there? Roughly. Oh, you squished one.
I'll leave that open. I'll leave that open like that until the morning.
Why?
Just so they can get out, okay?
Okay.
So, I don't claim to be a beekeeper or know a lot about it, but I know enough. And I know that if I'm going to expect them to build comb, I'm going to need to give them ginger soda, ginger ale. Well, not ginger ale, but a syrup water, 1-to-1 syrup water. So, I've got my hive top feeder. I'm just going to go and put it on. So, it wasn't an ideal time of year to really be doing this, a bit late. But it was a case of extract them or else. And going through the colony, once I got it back, I realised that there's like hatching brood, but no queen's eggs. They're going to need 1-to-1 syrup to increase their comb, and also probably need to introduce a queen to them as well. What are you doing, Etty?
Ladling honey into a jar, straining at the same time.
Look at that. Gold. No refrigeration needed, no canning, nothing. What are you doing?
Eating honeycomb.
By honeycomb, you mean actual comb with honey in it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So explain to people that haven't eaten honeycomb how you do it.
Mm.
You don't actually eat the wax, do you?
Mm.
So what do you do?
I just kind of take a bite and you chew it.
Show me. Show me now.
It's the wax.
Oh. That's going in the video.